Alright, hey, this is Awesome Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we have the last review of my week. This is Friday. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. After this, I get the rest of the day, and then Saturday, and then Sunday until mid-early evening. And that's the time I'll have to start taking pictures for the 3 reviews I do on Monday. But for now, this is it. And what I've got is something that came very recently. They sent a bunch of it, so I kind of need to do something. This is Nongshim's. Okay, so they make this Soon Veggie Ramen, which is really good. And they now are making other varieties of it. It's kind of like, I like it better than Shin Ramen, mainly due to the fact that it just seems like way cleaner, smoother. But this one is the same thing, but it's kimchi. Now, and it's vegan. But this is the thing. So you crack open the lid, and it's kimchi. They make a kimchi cup. And this is what's in the kimchi cup, is this stuff. So I'm not sure if they're just like getting rid of the kimchi cup and going with this. But as you can hopefully see, there's quite a bit of vegetable action going on in here. So what you do is you crack open the sachet here, dump it in, don't worry, I'm a professional, and then pour water to the fill line, which I can see. That's something that's important. If I can't see the fill line, it's really hard to... A little bit more. Okay. And let's use a fork. It sucks because I have these little cup guys. And 3 minutes. And see, as soon as I start, it's been like, shush! It's been like dead silent for the last 15 minutes. I've just been sitting here dinking around on my phone. And soon, soon, as soon as I start working on stuff, blah, blah. They're good kids, but jeepers. Gee willikers. Holy moly. That's enough. Thank you for the noise. We don't need any more. Quoting the book Momofuku. Man. There you go. Momofuku Ando speaks. This is all quotes by the late great Momofuku Ando, the inventor of instant noodles back in 1958. A quote from the man himself. Number 63. Forget about your knowledge and experiences and start from scratch. There's also one that sounds like others. Okay. So, what's the quote? That's very Yoda-ish. That's very, you must learn what you have unlearned, or don't think about what you know, do this new deal, or I don't. You know, my parents cut off all my fingers too. Yeah, so I had an idea, since fall is just about it's just started, and the craziness right now with the the elections and all that junk. I was thinking, you know what sounds nice? We should go. There's a place I took my older son Andy to when he was about 5 or 6, and that was this little park over in Edmonds. And right around this time of year, there was like all these leaves down on the ground, and he had just a blast running around and stomping through them and kicking them in the air and all that. I think these guys would dig that. So as long as this is the thing, as long as the little playground isn't full of kids, we'll go. But if it is, we're just like, no. No. That was crazy yesterday. Andy told me that I was overreacting. I wonder what he's saying today. He could possibly be just getting home from school right now. Like, you're overreacting. I hope so. I don't want him to get the sick. I want to be wrong. I don't want to be right. But I'm afraid that what he'll have found during when he went to school today is there were a bunch of kids being kids and going, I'm not gonna put on a mask. Look at me, I can take my mask off. Woo! I mean, I probably would have done that when I was in school. I dare you to take your mask off. All right, I'm in. What do I get? What do I get? I'll do it in front of a teacher. What do I get? It's just ridiculous. But, you know, kids will be kids. Kids will be kids. Those madcap, crazy, wacky children. All right, so I need a bowl. I have a bowl. Man, I wish I still had that. It was like one of my favorite. It's not a bowl, it was a plate. But one of my favorites was one that the president of Nongshim in the United States gave me after a visit. And it was really nice. And it got chipped. And I'm bummed about that. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, I'm sure they're not doing it right now. But if you live in the LA area or LA land, I'm thinking Chicago. If you live in the LA area and the COVID goes away and they still do it, you should, if there's a way you can. It says on their website, you go to nongshiamerica.com, look on there for tours. Because they do tours of their factory, and it's like they built the factory in such a way that it really makes it easy to do tours. So, and it's really neat. It's really neat, you know? And everybody's really nice there, and it's fun. They've got like a little exhibit. Did you know that Nongshim... Okay, first off, Nongshim means farmer's heart. That's the translation. Also, they have a like they got like a Mexican character, Señor Fideos. Fideos is Spanish for noodles. So they've got like this guy. He's on my fridge. Where is he? Señor Fideos, where are you? Where are you? Come on. I know there's. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, come on. It's lame being blind, ladies and gentlemen, but I know he's on here somewhere. Where's my... There he is, right there. I knew it. See? Nongshim. Señor Fideos. Or Señor. Señor Fideos, how are you? Oh, and he's having my noodles, man. Very good. And if you notice, this is old school because they only went with that font for their logo for a short period of time. And then they went back to the Arial round. Yes, I care about such things. I've got actually a couple shirts in that font that they gave me that are like, they're like, you know, this is like not stuff we give out, but we'll give you some. It's got a nice kimchi kind of taste to it. Give it another taste. I bet you it's ultra hot too, huh? It's pretty hot. And it's tasty. It's got a nice heat to it. It's good. And it does have a lot of vegetables. And the side of the bowl is going to need some help from me. What's so funny out there? I hear laughter. Does anybody remember laughter? It's funny, there's certain things I say all the time like that I figure everybody knows that what that line's from, right? Doesn't everybody know all the like things people said in the Led Zeppelin Song Remains the Same movie? No? Is it just me? Well, I'll just like throw out things figuring, oh, everybody knows what that means. I'll just say it. Somebody's getting all goofy out there. That is my daughter Miriam. But yeah, they both did pretty darn good in school. Miles got a little crazed a couple times this week, but that's okay. He did get recognized by the teacher. I think more like I got recognized by the teacher, but I'll give it to him. He's the one who was doing the stuff. But I made him do the school. And she was like, him and another kid in his class, she was like, you two are always here. You don't miss school. You're always in class. And that's great. So you guys get the attendance award. She's like, there is no attendance award yet, but I'm going to have to make one. It's like, that's cool. I love hearing teachers say nice things about my children. That is like the best. The best. That's not where that goes. Come over here. Come on. Come over here. I'm like thinking, where do I put this? It's like, well, you don't put it there. And I know, I'm doing all this up kind of like something. Well, I mean, come on. Happy? I like happy. Pepper flake. Yeah. Tasty, nice and tangy. It's kimchi flavor for sure. If they replace the other one, I'm going to say right now that's fine because it doesn't really matter what you're going to call it. The kimchi ramen was absolutely excellent, and so is this. So I have a feeling the kimchi one was maybe they're both the same. I think maybe the kimchi one has more kimchi in it, and this one has more of a variety of vegetables. That could be it. I don't know. Ask them. But yeah. All right. Rotato. Do stuff. All right. Thank you, as always, for watching. I absolutely love you all. I appreciate you. And I appreciate the folks at Nong Shim for shooting this over. Thanks to Dennis. Thank you very much. Hello to you all. Wonderful product, good stuff. And yeah, hope you guys have a good weekend. I know it's November for you, but it's October 2nd for me right now. But still, I hope you have a good weekend. And this has been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Don't forget to go check out shop.theramenraider.com. Get yourself some noodles. Go to theramenraider.com, please. It's the website. I got a lot of videos. They're also on there with the full review and everything inside. You will be glad you did. And I never say it. Everybody else does. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. So yeah. And hi to all the Russians. Have a good one. Bye.